Welcome to my new video. I'm again come up with another operation of fuzzy set. So I've come up with mth power of fuzzy set. So here we need only one fuzzy set. Don't need two fuzzy sets according. Okay, so let understand the logic of the mth power fuzzy set. Okay, so if you see the example, you will see that there is only one set fuzzy set elements with the corresponding membership values, and we are providing the mth value. What is the meaning of mth value? Now we'll see, like, first of all, for the fuzzy set, the membership values, we will access the membership values for each key. Okay, suppose I have accessed 0.5, then this mth value is 2, then 2 will be used as a power. Okay, for 0.5 power 2 means 0.5 will be multiplied 2 times. 0.5 into 0.5, if you know the concept of power, everyone, I think everyone know the concept of power. Okay, so 0.5 to the power of 2. Okay, then it will access 0.2 to the power of 2, then it will access 0.8 to the power of 2. Okay, and it will return this value. Then this value will be stored in the dictionary corresponding to the key. Okay, for a 0.25, for b 0.04. It is very easy concept. Like mth value will be act as the power of each membership values. Okay, so it is a little bit easy concept. So we need only one membership value. Okay, sorry, not membership value, we will need only one set. Okay, now in the main method, I'm expanding the class data. In the main method, what I have done is same, just I've created a single object here and calling the create fuzzy dictionary. Okay, I've called the create fuzzy dictionary function, which is present in the class. Okay, just I've created, or I've declared a single object. Okay, so we only need single fuzzy fuzzy set. Okay, we need only single fuzzy set. Okay, not two. Okay, now just I don't have any other object, so I have just called the mth power calculate, which contains the main logic of the mth power of fuzzy set. Okay, with the object reference. Okay, it is very clear. Okay, I will provide the code in the description box also. You can find it and run it and check it. Okay, I will also execute the output. Okay, after I will explain, then I'm closing the main block. And here there are, inside the class there are two member methods and one constructor. Constructor is same as the previous as like the previous operations of the fuzzy sets, and also the create fuzzy dictionary is also same as the for the previous as like the previous operations of the fuzzy set. So just go and watch the previous videos of probabilistic sum and intersection, then you will understand, like the like how this create fuzzy dictionary is creating the fuzzy dictionary, and also like how it is working with the main method also. Okay, now here I will explain the mth power function. Okay, so I've expanded that. You will see it is returning none, and we don't have another object, so we use only self, not other refers to the another object, so we will use self here. This is the default method. Okay, no parameters there. Okay. Now result, I've created again a dictionary, and here I've taken a user input of class type float for mth value. Okay, entered mth value. Okay, now if I run this, you will see, first of all we have to choose the element. Okay, we have to choose the element, suppose three elements. Okay, then for a we will give 0.5, suppose. For b we will give 0.2, suppose. For c we will give 0.8. Then it will ask for mth value. Okay, So we will give the mth value. Then how it will process? We have run a for loop, then for loop, then I've used the key and value, both reference, and also I'm accessing the fuzzy dictionary using self and using the predefined Python function items that will return the key and values. And the key will, this key reference will access the keys from the dictionary, and value will access the values from the dictionary. Okay, now we are storing the keys corresponding to the values. The value will be value double star m, means value to the power of m. Okay, then value power m. Okay, and we have provided 2-year round, means after decimal only 2 digits we will see. Okay, and we have printed the, first of all, fuzzy dictionary and the result. Okay, it will, I'm telling repeatedly, it will access all the membership values, and it will power it with the mth value. If I provide mth value 2, it will power it with every membership values. Okay, in 0.5 to the power 2, 0.2 to the power 2, 0.8 to the power 2. See, I'm explaining here. This is the power symbol. Okay, so just execute it. If I drag it, you will see set a is there, and after power 0.5 whole to the power 2, it will give 0.25, it will give 0.04, it will give 0.64. And round function, for the round function only we will see after decimal 2 digit is there, or else it will goes for multiple digits after decimal. Okay, because it is in float class type. Okay, so just look after this main function, like do's after this mth power calculate function many times and very carefully. It is the main logic of the mth power for calculating the mth power of the fuzzy set, or other functions and main method are same uh, as compared to previous videos. If you see that, you will understand like the create fuzzy dictionary function also, and the main block also. Okay, so if you have any problem, okay, or if you face any difficulties in any portion, just know me, I will explain in the comments. Just know me in the comments, I will explain it there only. And if you want any type of other videos or any operations, many operations are there, union is also there, and many operations is there, just research about that. And if you need any help, I'm there for you. Okay, so wait for my new video, again my next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay happy. Okay? Bye bye.